Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. NM and Mithibai College का कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इज बीन अनाउंस्ड. NM कॉलेज के वेबसाइट पे 4 दिन पहले आ गया था एंड नाउ Mithibai College has finally announced on their website as well. So guys, in this video I'll tell you in detail about Mithibai College का entrance exam details, like what is the syllabus. Almost same है, but yes, for BMM students it's gonna be a task. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end to know all the details. So as I already explained in my previous video of NM and Mithibai Common Entrance Exam कि they are sister colleges, right? Now talking about Mithibai में the addition subject is BMMC, BSc Psychology and BSc Biochemistry. So when you talk about, there are 3-4 subjects which are different from NM and Mithibai. But the sad part is guys that all of you guys, whether you are doing BFM, BBI, BMS, BAMMC, BSc Psychology, you guys will have a common entrance exam, which means you all will have to give an entrance which will have mathematics and aptitude test. There is no different entrance for BSc Psychology and BMMC. So as you can see on my screen clearly, quantitative and numerical ability, again same thing which NM is asking for. Number system, arithmetic, algebra, sets and functions, trigonometry, elementary statistics and probability. ये पूरा mathematics है, which I know is really difficult for a BMM student, especially art students, because उनका mathematics से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. The whole paper is divided into 3 sections. One is numerical ability, second is reasoning and general intelligence, जहाँ पे आपका LRVR, critical thinking, data interpretation, data sufficiency, verbal and logical reasoning, ये सारा आ जाता है. And your last section is about English. So when you see the marking system is 40-40-40. English में same है, paraphrases and synonyms, antonyms and applied grammar, vocabulary, sequencing of ideas, ये सारा आपको English language में पूछा है. So the whole paper is divided into 120 marks. It's MCQs. It's an online proctored exam which you can give from your respective home. So there is no center on all, completely online examination here. One more thing they have emphasized, जो कि last section आपका English वाला है, there will be 400 to 500 words का 3 passages होंगे and each passage will have 5 questions. So that is the add-on point. इस passage reading अच्छे से practice कर लो so that you can score 15 marks as it is. Registration will start from 20th of May, which will be open till 15th of June. So you will get almost 1 month to register yourself. Most of the students have one question कि क्या entrance exam के लिए मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे register करना पड़ेगा? नहीं guys, for entrance exam you just have to register on the college website. Later on, when the मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी का pre-enrollment form खुलेगा, तब आपको मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी पे register करके एक बार और form fill up करना है. But that college will help you out. So the colleges which are autonomous and taking entrance exam, उसका तो पहले आपको entrance exam registration ही करना है. So you don't require to register yourself first on Mumbai University, then registration. Registration हो जाएगा as soon as it opens up. Tentative date of examination is between 1st June to 25th June. Yes, it will be in parts. The reason is कि CBSE के boards खत्म होंगे जून में, so dates are 2-3 dates will be out. I'll keep you guys posted. So for that, you know that you have to follow my Instagram page and subscribe my channel to get all the updates as soon as it comes in. रही बात guys books की, we are still sorting out and trying to talk to the college management कि कहाँ से क्या पढ़ना है, what exactly it is, because on the website they have given the topics. Topics तो बहुत सारा है, उसमें से क्या कवर करना है, कैसे करना है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इन टच विद द मैनेजमेंट एंड आस्क की फ्यू पैरामीटर्स बता दो जिससे कि बच्चों को हेल्प हो जाएगी. एज सुन एज आई गेट दैट एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट एम आई प्रोवाइडिंग क्रैश कोर्स फॉर द NM एंड Mithibai प्रोग्राम, गाइज अभी तक डिसाइडेड नहीं है. एज सुन एज आई गेट द कंसर्न फैकल्टी टू टीच द सब्जेक्ट अप्रोप्रिएटली, आई विल अनाउंस दैट एज सुन एज आई कैन. Regarding providing you with the free material, websites and the books that you can refer to, I'll keep you posted with that too. There's a video which I have made on how to prepare for entrance exam. Media का बना दिया है. बाकी ये जो common entrance exam पे I'm in the process of sorting out books. So as soon as I'm done with my research, I'll upload the video, which will be maximum by next week. You will get all the details on my channel. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.